Hi everyone, EGO here. On my last video, after I repaired and tested the headlights, unfortunately I discovered a fuel leak under the car and it needs to be repaired immediately. So this means an opportunity for me to make another tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you how to test a fuel pump. So let's get started. Here shows that I already removed the fuel tank under the car and fixed the hose that was causing the leak. Now to test the fuel pump, first I need to identify the two wires that goes to the two terminals of the fuel pump using a continuity test. The thick black wire with a blue stripe and another black wire are the wires we need. Doing a resistance test, the fuel pump motor has a resistance of 3.3 ohms. Now let's do the actual test. To do the test, I am going to use the power supply and relay on the previous video. And here shows the new connection diagram. And here is the setup. The fuel tank is already filled with gasoline. This is the power supply, the relay, and the switch. This container will catch the gasoline coming from the fuel pump. And for safety, I also placed an electric fan to blow away the volatile fumes. First, let me check if the relay is working. When turning the switch on, there should be a voltage present at the relay output. And then I will now connect this to the fuel pump terminal. Now let's do the actual test.